Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm here with a quick project share. It's a creative design team project for Tracy Fox, Love Junk Journals on Etsy. And last month I made a journal, and I wanted to do something a little different. And so for this month, I made a trifold insert for a journal, and I used a large ledger page, and I started it on Lori's and my Tuesday night live video, and I just finished it yesterday, I think, and so I wanted to get a video up before before tomorrow, the last day of the month. So let me show you what I started with, and this is the large ledger page. I did cut it down a little bit and then folded it up for the pockets. And so this is the size. I didn't want it to, be too large so that it would, go inside of a journal. So I used a piece of, it's like a thin piece of rope or a little piece of rope, and I use that to tie it together. And I used 3 kits. I used the plant book kit, the pretty houses kit, and the number snip strips. And all the links will go in the description box for Tracy's Etsy, Facebook group, the other design team members. So this is the front cover, and most of it is the plant book. So this piece here I just tore in half, and because I wanted some of the ledger paper to show. I didn't want to cover it all up. And then after I put this on, I added this flower trim, and then I added this, I love this, like scruffy, tatty type of trim, and then a piece of a fiber. I just went through the middle, and then I just made a little flower cluster and added that to the bottom. So that's the front, and then you open it up, and here's the trifold. And I added the background papers are also Tracy's, and for some reason I forgot to add the name of the kit when I added them, in my laptop. But it's like, I think they're background papers, and so I just cut to fit the 3 separate pockets. I also, distressed the whole, ledger piece. And then I took some of the tags, because she had a lot of tags in this plant book kit, and I just cut them down to kind of, do little mini collages. And so I added this piece, and then I added this label that's in the kit. And then here's another piece, another label, and then she has some little circles in the kit, and also some squares. And then here's another one. And then some of the tags I left. I didn't do too much to the tags because somehow I made the pockets a little bit on the thin side, so I couldn't really put anything bulky in there. But anyways, I added this specimen label, and then some more of that, I don't know if it's muslin, and it's all like tatted up. But anyway, I added that just for an easy pull out. And then I left the the backs of the tags for journaling. So that goes in there. See how I mean? I made it a little too tight. And then this is a booklet. I made it into a booklet, and I forgot to put the pages in, but I'm going to do that. I'll do that after the live. I completely forgot. But yeah, so I took some distressed line paper, and you see how the blue in the paper ran? I love that. So that's going to be the little booklet. And then here's the back. And again, I didn't do anything to it except for make it into a booklet, because it just wouldn't, anything else wouldn't have fit. And then here's another label. And then here's another tag. This I added a leaf from an applique, and I added this little label here. This is from the number snip strips kit. Have to say that a little slow. And then here's some more of that fiber I just used on the tag. And then you start to close it. And then here's where the pretty houses come in. Let me take the tag out so you can see. This is the house here. And then I wanted to make it into a pocket, so I took the second printed piece and I just covered up the original, but that's what's underneath also. And then I added this little flower trim, kind of like a vine going up the side of the house. And then this tag, I just added a little piece of that background paper on one of the round pieces, and then I took what I had left of one piece and just made it into a top there. And then another label, botanical notes, and here's another piece of that background paper. And then on the back, I added this piece for a side pocket, a large side pocket, the field guide label, and then I added a piece of flowery trim, and then this little trim here to kind of finish it off. I like how that came out. And then inside is a tag. And here's another little piece of that tatty. And then down here, and then here's another number strip on this tag here. So that, yeah, I don't know what I did that I made these so tight, but they don't need to have a lot in them because, like I said, it's going to be an insert in a journal. So that's it. That's my little project for Tracy for this month, which is going to be over, I think, tomorrow. But I did enjoy making this. Lori and I had fun the other night starting it out. She came up, and I can't think of who it was. She watched somebody make one of these and thought it would be fun to make one also. So that's what we did Tuesday night. So anyway, that's it. If you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'm going to be back again with another project share because I finished the doily book and I need to get a video done on that. So this is actually on a Friday, the 29th, and I hope everybody has a really great weekend. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.